Hello, I'm Cheryl Allred, and today I'm doing a unboxing of the Treebox Plus by Smok, and that's the front of the box. And on the back of the box, it has what's in the box, the specifications, and the introduction. And then here's the box, and open it up. It says Smok on it, and there's the Treebox Plus, and on the top is a 510 connection pin, and it's got a gold plating on the pin, and then on the bottom is the battery cover and the USB upgrading cable, and on the side is the firing pin and the up and down buttons and the LED screen. Isn't that nice? And I'm gonna set this down and put the batteries in. And on here it says, on the battery cover, it says negative, and positive. I don't know if you can see that there. And so you put negative side facing up and positive side facing up, and then you take the battery cover, and it's kind of tricky. You have to push it and slide it. And then I'm going to put the baby beast tank on top of it because it's already filled and primed and everything. And then you press the firing pin 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it comes on. Let me see here. Try to get it to focus. There we go. And you can press it 5 times to lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that didn't do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doing it 3 times. Maybe I'm not pressing it good enough. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it locks it, and then you hold it down and keep holding it down, the firing pin, and it says on or off, and you go to off, and that's how you turn it off. And then you hit it 5 more times to turn it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it turns back on. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it unlocks it. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can go to wattage mode or temperature mode. Let's go into temperature mode, and you can go normal, hard, max, min, soft, and back to normal. And you can pick steel, nickel, or titanium, and I'm going to pick steel. And then it's on 200, and you can make it go from 200 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 600. Then it switches to Celsius, and you can go from 100, and it goes by 5s, all the way up to 315. And then you go 1, 2, 3, and you go into wattage mode, and you can have it on normal, hard, max, min, soft, and back to normal. I'm going to leave it on normal, and you can have it all the way from, all the way down to 1 and all the way up to 220. And then I'm going to go into the menu again, and there's your puff counter. And I've already taken 14 puffs, and I've got on never, and I pick no to reset the puffs, and 1, 2, 3, and you can go here and adjust your ohms, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you can go here and adjust your temperature coefficient of resistance, and 1, 2, 3, and you can go here is your settings, and you can have stealth off or on. I'm going to leave it off, and screen time 60 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and you go back to settings, and you can have contrast on 100 down to 0 or 1 or something, and 1, 2, 3, and settings, and then you got your screen rotate. I'm gonna leave it on this side, and 1, 2, 3, and you go to the very end, and there's your power on or off, and I'm gonna turn it off. And that's my unboxing of the Treebox Plus. Isn't it beautiful? All that wood grain finish. Says Treebox Plus on this side, and it says Smok right there, and it's so nice. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.